Hey guys, hey family, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm about to run out and do some errands. Probably just grocery shopping. I need to get more low carb options. Normally after the holidays, my blood sugar goes up and my A1C goes up. So, it's we all might slip a little bit on our diets and whatever, but you just regroup and do better. So I have to go and get some healthier options. I'm letting my cabbages and collards rejuvenate, so I'm not going to harvest from them this week. So I got to go out and get some greens, get some lettuce, and get some more lower carb options, because normally after the holidays my blood sugar goes up a little bit and my A1C, so I have to get some fresher, some healthier options in the house. Okay, so it's going to be no sodas, going to be water, green vegetables, lean proteins, which most of the time I do well, but sometimes it gets, you can fall off. So I found out, I was just trying to eat twice a day, and when you're eating twice a day low carb, then I end up getting like hungry later on. So I'm going to eat 3 meals a day: protein, non-starchy vegetables, and water. Eat it 3 times a day, and then we'll see how that works out. Okay, so it's a chilly 60 degrees outside, so it's too hot for my leather, and some of my casual hoodies, I've just worn them down. So I ordered from Rainbow. This is you guys, this is the time of year when I do a lot of clearance shopping. This is the time of year I do most of my shopping. I like to get stuff on clearance. So Rainbow had like half price on their like winter wear. So I got this coat here, and I think the original price was $29.99. I got it for $15, and just a minute, I'll show you guys. Okay, now my outfit of the day is just some cotton joggers with pockets. This is my favorite shirt here. I only wear this like in the winter time because it has long sleeves. I'm already losing these little rhinestones here. This is a Miss Tina tunic from Miss Tina, who knows Miss Beyonce's mom when she had her line of stuff. So I have that. And I'm just wearing my Avia, what is it? They're like slides, but they're tennis shoes. So I'm just wearing that today because it's like warm enough. Now this coat that I got from Rainbow, it's nice. It's not too hot, not too heavy, not too light. But I was disappointed because the only disappointment I have with this, it's wool, but they just serged the ends. It wasn't like, even though I know it didn't have a lining in it, I thought they would finish the end better. But this is going to be a casual coat here. Let me take off the tags. Says Love University. That's the name of this brand. So I'm just making sure there's no tags left. Yes, Love University. So I like it. It's 3/4 length, has a belt. has pockets. Nice shawl collar. So yeah, so you can, I don't always want to look like I'm wearing sportswear. So, you know, you can kind of upscale my active wear. And then if it gets too hot for me, I can open it up easily. And I feel more pulled together. So I think it's cute, especially for the price. I wouldn't have paid full price for this because of the finishing touches. All right, so all right, guys, so let's go. Okay, guys, I'm in Kroger. In the water aisle. I'm trying to, they have water on sale, but I don't feel like doing a big lift. So let me I'll get a couple. Drinking water is like $1.59. Let's see. Okay, I'll get my little water enhancements at Dollar Tree. Can you believe nowadays you can only get 2 Kool-Aids for $1? I used to be able to get 10. I'm serious. In my day growing up, you could get 10 for $1. Then they went to 8, then they went to 5. Oh my gosh, just 2? Oh, that's no fun. Who needs it then? You still gotta add sugar. Need some salsa. Let's see, I'll get the Kroger brand. (16-ounce), $2.19. Let me show you what I have so far. This is for hubby's lunches. Well, got some fried chicken. I have a rotisserie chicken. This was $10.99, $7.99 for the rotisserie chicken. These were $4.99. So I'm just stocking up for the freezer. Ground beef was $4.99 a pound, so I got 3 pounds. These chicken wings were reduced, $9.38. And then another one was $9.21. And got some Raging Cajun. This is the only medium that was left. Since it's right after Mardi Gras, people here in Atlanta, they be getting that Mardi Gras vibe going. Then I got some Kanika sausage, and I learned about this because I watch Meech and Monica, their YouTube channel, and Meech loves Kanika. So like, I think about a month ago, they went to the factory, and I think it's in Alabama. And so I said, let me give it a try. It's expensive though. That was $8.20 something cents. Got a thing of collard greens because I'm letting mine rejuvenate. These look good. $2.79. Let's see, they reduced these romaine hearts for $2.11 each. Yes, got some of this for the freezer. We were out of bread. Then we got these for $1.25 each. 4 for $5. $5 for some turkey. Whenever we find this, we each one of us, we get them, because when they were out for a while during the pandemic, we just missed it. Okay, so I got lettuce, tomatoes. See, I got red onions, tomatoes. These were $4.99. The oranges. Let's see. This celery was $1.89, $1.85. I'm gonna put that in the freezer, chop that up. I'm still growing mine too. So this, all right, so I'm gonna get eggs. And get some eggs. Cheese, they're on sale. So we got taco seasonings for $2 for $1. A couple of these. The El Paso is $1 each, 10 for $10. I'll do that. I need to go back over by the meat section, get some ground turkey. All right, so this is what we're looking like now. I'm gonna get some eggs and a few other things, and I'll catch you guys when I get home. Okay guys, the trunk is full, so I gotta unload this stuff and then unpack it again. So see you in a little bit. Okay guys, I made it back. Got all the groceries in the car. Got them home. And got them out the car. So here's my greens. Gotta find some place to put this stuff. Did good, under budget, 150 and some odd change. So all of my coupons went through, all of my digital coupons, so everything was good. So still got money in the kitty for the month. And let me show you, I think in my other video I was showing you guys how I can keep my roses for like a month. It's a week now and it's time for me to change the water. Ooh, the water's low. They've been drinking. These things drink, yeah, so this one's sad. So all you do is just take off some of the bad leaves. You got some, this whole thing is gone, so that's okay. Need to change the water out. They'll perk back up, and that'll buy me another week. All right. Here are the seeds in here. All right, gotta clean that up. And I like my coat. My new coat. It was very, but this time of year, late, and here in Georgia, we get like in the 50s and 60s, and it's kind of cool, but you know, not cold. So this jacket, this coat really worked out well. It has pockets. I was very comfortable in it. I was very comfortable in it in the store, you know, so it kept me, you know, together. So yeah, it's a good price, rainbow.com. All right, guys, so let me put this stuff up, grab some lunch. I got a rotisserie chicken and I'm gonna make a salad and that's gonna be lunch. All right.